Hi YouTubers, and thanks for checking out my 1973 Chevrolet Camaro. This will be my first video of the car. I am going to be listing this car for sale, so if you have any further questions, please let me know. It's green on green, black vinyl roof with a very rare opera window. It's a very original car, very hard to find like this these days. The interior is in excellent condition. 126,000 original miles, 350 CHEV, turbo 350 auto. It is on blocks at the moment, so if you wish to come and have a look at the undercarriage, you're more than welcome. But again, it's a California car with absolutely no rust. All the bars are straight. Someone has glossed the hood over the years, as you can see the difference in the color. There's a few small dents in the body. All of these can be pushed out. The back left rear quarter has a scrape, but it's not heavy. Everything works on the car. The doors open and close nice. As you can see, the rubbers have been wearing through the original paint down to the red oxide. It's a very cool car. Everyone loves the window, gets a lot of comments. It's an AC car. Center console auto. All the lights work, radio works, indicators. It does blow air, but not very cold. It is dark for me to film this interior, but it is in very, very tidy condition. I'm just going to jump in it here and start it. This will be a cold start. Again, 126,000 original miles. Radio, aircon. All the hood lining is in very tight condition. I'll just jump back out here. I'll do one last walk around so you can see the car. The car is in California, and I will be putting it up for sale for $17,500. Very hard to find original cars these days. Please let me know your thoughts.